Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make sprouts with ragi seeds. Ragi seeds are also known as finger millet or nachni. They look similar to mustard seeds and come in same size. They are nutrient dense and can be cooked in different varieties. Sprouting increases the nutritional value of ragi. I bought half a kg of ragi seeds and using them for sprouting. They are easily available in any local store or even on online shopping sites. These seeds come with a lot of dust and dirt, so make sure to wash them really well for about 6 to 7 times until you get clean water. Rub them with your hand a few times and drain the water. Repeat the same process until the seeds are clean. Next step is to soak the seeds in water for about 7 to 8 hours. After 7 to 8 hours of soaking, seeds have properly soaked enough water. Drain the water and keep them for sprouting. I am using my sprouts maker, but you can even follow the traditional way of using a muslin cloth. It works both ways. If you are using a sprouts maker, make sure your seeds are not too wet. They should be moist enough for sprouting, but there should not be excess water left inside. Otherwise, your seeds may get damaged and start stinking. I will leave them like that for about 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is how the seeds look. They have sprouted nicely in all the 3 plates. Transfer it in a big container and give it another wash. And our sprouted ragi seeds are all ready to be used. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.